welcome. Today I'll show you how to make a hazelnut honey cake. This cake is super easy to make and you need only 5 ingredients to make it. This cake is so aromatic, your family will go crazy waiting for it to finish baking. Are you ready? Let's get started. You will need 4 eggs, 115 grams of breadcrumbs, 50 grams of brown sugar, 115 grams of hazelnuts, 170 grams of pure honey. Begin by preheating your oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Chop the hazelnuts into tiny bits. You can use a food processor to make this faster, but I'm just going to use my knife to do the job. Next, prepare the cake tin. Take some softened butter and grease your cake tin. If your butter is too cold, simply microwave it for about 30 seconds and it will be good enough. Now take some of the breadcrumbs and evenly coat the greased cake tin. I'm using a 20 cm cake tin. Once that is done, it's time to separate the egg whites. I'm using this egg separator to make matters easy. You'll see how easily it separates in no time. Anytime now. There we go. Repeat until all the eggs are separated. Now, in a double boiler, over a barely simmering pot of water, we'll warm up the honey until it liquefies. This should take about 2 minutes. Once the honey is warm, add in the brown sugar and egg yolks. Whisk the mixture until it becomes light and frothy. Remove from heat and set aside. Now mix the breadcrumbs and hazelnuts and add it to the honey egg yolk mixture. Mix thoroughly until you get an evenly moistened mixture like this. And set aside. Using a hand mixer, whisk the egg whites until stiff. Mix a ladle full of egg white to the prepared mixture and just mix it to moisten the whole thing. This will help to fold in the rest of the egg white easily. gently fold in the rest of the egg white half at a time. Take your time and do this. Don't rush through this process. The cake mix is ready to go into oven as soon as you put it in the cake tin. Spoon over the mixture into the prepared cake tin. Now bake for 30 minutes. Once it has baked, let the cake cool in the tin for 5 minutes. Then remove it and let it cool in the rack. Top with chopped hazelnuts and drizzle with some more honey before serving. There you go. Your polished hazelnut honey cake is ready to serve. Do you like this recipe? Then don't forget to leave a like. And if you would like to see more exciting recipes, don't forget to subscribe. So until next time, happy cooking!